Okay. And then I will put something like on the top like this one. And then I'm going to put another things at the top again. Okay, now it's up to you, Aleta. You can make your own sculpture. Okay, I want everyone to open the camera so I can see your progress.
I'm making mess already.
Please open your camera, guys, so I can see your progress. I want you to work with yourself, not with... You know what?
I don't know how to open my camera.
Oh, you don't know how to open your camera? My goodness. Oh yeah. Actually, there is a camera sign on your in the middle of your video. Actually, Devanka, please open the camera. Okay. Good job. Wait, I'm going to...
Oh, yay!
All right, good job, Devanka. Good job, Glenn. You are working with yourself. Now, guys, you have to think about the solution if you found a problem. And remember that the good construction at the beginning is very important, yeah? And Aleta, can you please open the camera, please? And then Jason and Igor, Rochelle, Tori, please open the video so I can see you are working with it. Nico, please open your video. I mean your camera, please. Already? Okay, good job, Rachel. Nico, please open your camera. And Ruth, if it's possible, please open your camera so I can see your progress. If you guys have any problem, just ask, okay? Actually, this one is we are pretending to be an architect. This is a prototype. This is a first first lesson for the architect to build something. They will work with this small material first. They will try and error. They were learning by doing until they found the formula how to build a house. Maybe this one looks so impossible, but for me it's possible. If you learn about these 3D things gradually, you can maybe in the future you can build something. And we can start from this activity activities. Okay. So I want you to be more creative. Don't create something look normal. I want you to make it more different with others. Yeah. Remember that more wit, more out, more creative, you will get more score later. Nico, buka dong kameranya. Mr. A mau lihat. Tuh Devanka udah mulai buat. Terus siapa lagi? Glenn sedang bekerja. Bebe Arya.
Such a cool little border along here. We have so
Mana Nico bangunannya?
What decorate with some composters. Oh, I'm in a composter. Okay, and of course, and it goes off with some chocolate. Pretty cool. I like it. It has some work though. Yeah, pretty much for every layer we do.
Kelihatan enggak, Mr. Al?
Do need to plant though. Yep, absolutely.
Ya Nico.
Literally starving to death.
Aku kelihatan atau enggak, Mr. Al?
Kelihatan. Oke, Nico bagus. Nico boleh di fold. You can fold the domino card ya. Boleh dilipat. Dominonya boleh. Boleh dipotong pakai apa? Setting kalau mau.
I'm not sure. We'll put something up in the mushroom. And then
Dilipat kok enggak.
So I figure in order to combat that, maybe a little shed off to the side. I think right here is a great area, which looks good overall. I think it would look
I think I'm going to move to another room so that I can see.
You want to do it by yourself? Do you need my help? Oh, where is it? Where is the other one? Okay. Oh, you forget to, where is it? Mute yourself. Where is the voice? Where is Mr. Al voice? Is it in here?
You said that you want to create like file.
Enggak. Jadi nggak mau kopi. Dah? Iya.
Okay. It's okay. Yeah, maybe some of you start with put some shape like this at the bottom, or you connect it like this. All is okay. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is incorrect. Everything is correct. You can use your own way how to do it. Okay. Boleh pakai teknik apa aja. Yang penting dia berdiri, bangunannya dan harus kuat. Ya. Ini hanya apa namanya trial. Nanti kalau sudah expert, we have certain criteria how to do it. Tapi yang pasti misalnya mau adik-adik di sini belajar bagaimana bekerja dengan material dan membuat bangunan keren menggunakan kartu domino seperti ini. Ini seru banget ya. Okay, we're going to see the progress of Abia. Wow, that's good. Be careful. Now you learn about the materials, how to do it more. This one is the Panka doing. And then I'm going to put the, can you move a little bit there? Move. Okay, I'm going to. Yeah. Panka, you move to this place. Move it there. Oh, careful. You can see that now. Panka is still working with the, yeah. Okay. How is it, Glenn? Is it hard for you to draw, to create the building like that?
Selesai tuh.
Okay, enjoy working with that. How is it, Abia? Bisa? Dua.
Ya udah buka lagi, satu lagi. Ini.
So I can see that now the video are lagging. Some of them are not working. I know it's because of the signal. At the end, I need some advice from mommies and dad. So we're using the Google Meet or using Zoom, which one is better?
Kayaknya udah hampir habis deh. Apa? Harus jadi goyang-goyang ini. Wow, Elbrus juga seru banget itu bikinnya. Wah, kakak Aleta keren banget tuh sampai tinggi begitu. Kakak Niko juga keren banget. Wow, Ruth keren banget bangunannya. Wow, we are all so happy to see all you guys working with the nice. Wah, kakak Vio juga keren. Ada kakak Aris juga bagus banget tuh ya. Hati-hati kakak Aleta, kalau dia buatnya vertikal, bawahnya harus kuat. Jadi dia nggak jatuh nanti ke bawah, nggak miring. Wow, Elbrus still struggling with the motoric skill. Oh my goodness. Even her sister are also feel enthusiastic to work with the card and with the glue. The glue are very sticky. Be careful, guys. Mommy and Daddy, we need your help. If it is hard to remove from your hand, you can use soap. Boleh pakai sabun nanti. Boleh pakai air ya dilap apa namanya tangannya nanti bisa apa lemnya bisa lepas dari tangan. Wah, Ruth udah mau selesai tuh. Are you sure you make it? I don't know. Okay, good job. Kakak Vio serius banget tuh lihat. Yeah, this is about trial and error, guys. Jadi kalau nanti teman-teman ada yang mau jadi arsitek, nanti kalian akan sering membuat sesuatu seperti ini ya. Kalau kalian suka, Kalian bisa jadi arsitek kalau nggak terlalu suka. Berarti susah kalau jadi arsitek, harus sabar, dia harus coba dulu, dia akan bikin marketnya. Market itu adalah contoh, dia buat ini kecil, terus nanti dia tunjukin ke investornya atau orang yang mau buat buildingnya, terus baru nanti dia akan buat yang sesungguhnya di luar sana, di tanah beneran, di area yang memang harus akan dibangun gedung. Jadi ini adalah, this one is one of the examples that you guys are working like architect. You guys are working like architect, and then you try this and there, and then you found some problem. Even you blow your card to make sure that your card is strong or not.
Udah habis. Jadi frame aja. Udah habis.
This can be a building.
Iya. Bisa buat hamster, Pak. Buat
put something on this part. Be creative.
Tahu gulunya udah habis.
Okay, next time you have to buy more glue then.
Dia juga gak tahu lagi bikin apa.
Gak apa-apa, this one here. Show it first.
Aku jadiin font.
Okay. So, I think
Wow. Kenapa?
Bia and Devanka already done.
Bagus. Ini kayak perosotan gitu. Dua perosotan sekali. Ini bukan kayak gini. Mungkin juga bisa dari sini. Gini.
Kalian bisa bayangin bahwa bagian dari kartu itu merupakan tembok ya. You can imagine that the card, we just pretending that the card is a wall. As we watch the video before that, people, when they build or when they construct a building, they start with building the basement first, make it more strong, make sure that the bases are very strong. They will create the framework first, and then after that they will create the wall, the floor, and everything. And it will, yeah. Close the door, please. You can wash your hand if you're done. Yeah, wash your hand. Close the door, please. Yeah.
Bikin beliau Mr. Abut dia. Tapi nggak tunjukkan.
Jason and Ivo juga bagus banget itu, buildingnya bisa menopang bagian bawah, keren banget itu. Elbrus kemana ya? Cuci tangan kayaknya dia. Wow, Ruth, you are very good. You collaborate with your mommy, and then
Aku nggak mau ngikutin orang.
it is a good collaboration, I think, and it's good between child and mommy. That is a good team. Are you ready, Devanka? You wanna listen your work?
Ya.
Okay, while you are working, guys, I think Devanka and Abi are running out of glue, so that maybe next time she will start to make it again.
Di mana Foxy?
Otherwise, we already buy 2 glue, but it's still not enough. Like this, 2 glue like this, but still not enough. Everything is running out. So I'm going to give this moment for Devanka because we don't have any glue. we just have to stop and we're going to continue again next time. But we still need to give the Panka and Abia a moment for them to present their work. Ready? Panka, ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my work. So I made it into a swimming pool, not a building. So first I bend a domino like this. Then I put it on the corner. And then I put this to here. Then I copy it to the upper side.
Okay.
And thank you. And one side I not yet put it because I'm running out of glue.
Do you have a name for your building? What kind of?
This is not a building. This is a pool.
What is a pool? What's this?
See, it can be a pool.
Okay, what is the thing that you learned from this lesson, Devanka? Okay, what is the thing that you learned from this lesson?
I learned how to make a building more bigger.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's so short. So it's
One, you learn about?
how to make a building bigger, like this, wider. I mean,
Okay. Second one, you learn about?
to not be like you on the glue.
Or to not acting like yeah, you don't like the blue, something like that. And then the third one, you learn about what?
I learned to make it more neat.
You learn about how to make it more neat. Okay, in the future, I want you to do some improvement, and I believe that you can make it better in the future. Okay. Thank you, Devanga. Give me 5. Thank you so much. Now, Abia, come forward, please. Glenn, are you done? Not yet, yeah. I cannot hear you because your mic is off. Okay, after this, you will be the next person who present. Okay, ready? Abia, come forward, please. I want you to be louder. Yang keras suaranya, nggak apa-apa. Jangan malu-malu, Abia. Ready? 1, 2, go.
On the table, please.
Okay, thank you, Glenn. Ready? 1, 2, go. Yang keras suaranya nggak kedengeran.
Dia bikin segitiga.
Okay.
Habis itu dia lem.
And the other side, please.
Nggak kedengeran.
This side.
Itu dia tempel. Terus itu dia.
Told you this side juga, sayang. Nggak pernah denger, Ruth, males itu.
Tempel di segitiganya. Habis itu dia terusin sampai banyak dia tumpuk-tumpuk.
Apa yang dia pelajari dari hal ini? Dan dia dapatkan dari lesson ini.
Thank you and goodbye.
Dia belajar apa? Belajar bikin bangunan dari domino. 1. Yang kedua, dia belajar apa? Ya, belajar sabar. Ya, belajar sabar. Yang ketiga, dia belajar apa lagi dari aktivitas ini? Membikin bangunan. Okay, good job. Give me 5, please, dia. Good job. Okay, thank you so much. Wow, ini karyanya Abia. Sekarang kita akan kasih kesempatan untuk kakak Glenn untuk desain his work. Ya, mana coba lihat Glenn. You can open the mic now and you can show us so that we can get inspired by you. Ready, Glenn? Where is your? Wow, we have to watch.
So this is my building, and this building I did first like a spider leg on the bottom. Then I made some platforms and I folded the domino cards so they can stand. And then on the top, I made a roof and connected it with a platform here.
Do you have a name for your building?
Building, yes. The Tower of Glory.
The Tower of Glory. Okay, what is the thing that you learned from this lesson? 5 things you have learned from this lesson. 1.
Sticking things. Sticking things.
The first thing is what? You learn about what?
Sticking things.
Okay, sticking things. You stick something. Second one.
And how to build a house.
How to build a house. Third one will be?
How to make dominoes stand up.
How to make dominoes. What? How to make dominoes. Okay, good. Fourth one.
And how to make platforms.
How to make platform. The 5th one, the last one will be?
How to make a roof.
How to make the roof. Thank you so much, Glenn. You have created a very good job. Thank you so much. My goodness, you are very good. I thought you cannot build the house using domino, but this is the fact that you can make it by yourself. Thank you so much. You can enjoy your day now. Next will be, who wants to be the next one?
Can I leave the meeting?
Yes, you can leave the meeting. Then thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye. So, Elbrus, you wanna present your work? Elbrus mau presentasi. Oke, siap. 1, 2, 3.
Bangun rumah.
Elbrus bangun rumah. Pakai apa itu?
Pakai gerasi mobil sama terowongan.
Oh, ada garasinya juga di depan ya. Elbrus nempelinnya pakai apa?
Lem.
Pakai lem. Susah nggak?
Enggak.
Nggak seneng nggak Elbrus sama ini, sama bikin ini? Suka ya? Oh, dibantuin sama siapa?
Bantuannya.
Oh, iya. Tadi adeknya bantuin juga nggak?
Bantuin.
Bantuin, iya nggak apa-apa. Elbrus bagus banget itu gambarnya. Apa maksudnya bangunannya? Elbrus seneng nggak? Seneng banget ya. Oke, terima kasih Dede Elbrus. Boleh ditambah-tambahin lagi, boleh ditempelin lagi kalau Dede Elbrus mau ya. Tangannya udah dicuci ya?
Udah.
Ya udah, nggak apa-apa. Terima kasih. Sekarang siapa lagi? Wah, itu tambah keren ya. Kakak Ruth bikinnya pelan-pelan dia. Dia teliti banget tuh, nggak buru-buru. Nggak gerasa kerusuk. Ya, mereka buatnya pelan-pelan. Kakak ikut.
Yes. Aku bikin gedung Malaysia.
Oh, bikin Twin Tower ya?
Iya.
Oh, Twin Tower itu biasanya dia connecting. Ya, satu tower sama satu tower dia connecting.
Ada bridge-nya ya?
Iya, ada bridge-nya.
Ini ada bridge-nya.
Okay, good job, Vio. So next will be siapa lagi ya? Who wants to be the next one? Jason, you want to be the next one? Okay, open your camera, please. I mean, open your microphone,
So
Jason. Wow, everyone should see this, what Jason made. Very cool, guys. See that something are sticking on the floor like that. Yes? Yeah?
I want to EF.
Sorry?
I want to EF.
Oh, yeah. See you again. See you, Kakak Ares. Next, Jason, come on, ready? Jason, ready? 1, 2, go.
So I make this tower. This tower is also a hotel.
Wow.
And I make some walls at the side. And These things are balconies.
That's nice. Okay, what did you learn from this lesson, Jason?
I learned about baby shapes,
Okay,
how to
good.
stick stuff,
Okay, next.
and how do you build stuff with domino card.
Okay, have you tried this before?
No.
Not yet. This is your first time working with Domino's card.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jason. Keep up the good work. I like your hotel's building. Very cool. I know that you have put your best effort to make it. I give you 2 thumbs up and 10 points. Yeah, thank you so much, Jason. How about Ivo?
So this is my building, and
Wow.
it's a beautiful house. And there is a puppet, and there is upstairs,
Lihat sini, belajar.
and there is a mini playground, and
Wow.
there's a sitting cushion, and there's a sitting cushion where you
See
can
that?
sit. And there's the bunk bed, and there's the stairs, so you can go up at the bunk bed or down.
Are you happy with that, Ivo?
Yes. Not
Somebody
too
helping
happy.
you?
I am happy.
Is there anyone helping you to make it like that?
Yes, my mom.
Wow, thank you, mommy. Ivo, you have created a very nice work. I give you 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up and 10 points. Thank you, Ivo. You can make it one more time if you want to. Thank you. Bye-bye, Ivo. Bye, Kakak Jason.
Continue my building. It should
Yes,
be
you
like
can
a
continue your
high
building.
tower.
Yeah, you can continue your building. Make it more higher. Good job, Ivo.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, who wants to be the next one?
Alice, Miss.
Alice. Okay, Alice, come on. Open your camera, please.
Okay.
I cannot see you. Oh, okay, now I can see you now. Okay, good. Wow. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Ini menara aku.
Okay.
Ini menara aku.
Gimana cara buatnya?
Yesus.
Boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia kok. Bagaimana cara buatnya? Pertama-tama, disusun. Lalu ditempel nggak? Pakai glue.
Belum. Ini mau dilem.
Dilem. Oh, seperti itu. Ini namanya bangunan apa? Hotel atau gedung kantor atau rumah?
Menara.
Menara. Wow, tower ya. Wah. Suka nggak dengan menaranya? Siapa tadi namanya lupa?
Alice.
Ya, Alice suka nggak sama menaranya Alice yang Alice buat?
Suka.
Susah nggak buatnya?
Susah.
Susah ya, oke. Alice pernah buat menara seperti ini nggak pakai domino card?
Enggak.
Belum pernah ya, ini pertama kali ya?
Iya.
Oke, thank you Kakak Alice. Bangunannya bagus banget, terusin ya.
Terima kasih.
Ya, Kakak Alice dapat 2 jempol dari Mr. Al, dari Devaka, dan dari Abia. Wow, keren banget Kakak Alice. Thank you so much. Next, who wants to be the next one? Wow, there's so many people here are very talented. Yeah. How about, what do you think?
Good.
Only good?
Perfect.
Perfect? Yes, I think perfect.
Which one do you think that they are very focused on making? Oh, Kakak Vio, Kakak Devanka, choose Kakak Vio are very diligent and very focused on what he's doing. Yeah. How about Kakak Aleta? Are you ready, Kakak Aleta?
This is my building. It's a tower.
Okay, next.
And it's very tall.
Mm-hmm. And then,
That's all.
Kakak Aleta, can you show us how to do it step by step?
Use a lot of glue and put a lot of cards.
Okay, and then,
Belajar bahasa Inggris. Nggak usah bahasa Inggris. Ini bukan acara ini bahasa Inggris.
come on, Kakak Aleta. It's okay, don't be shy. How to do it? Can you show us the step by step how to do it? How to build your building?
Everywhere.
Okay, then
That's all.
you can use Bahasa if you want.
You have to speak.
It's okay, speak. Come on, Aleta. We are waiting. It's
And
okay.
that's all.
Good. The first one, you fold the paper, the card, and then you stick it one by one, like that. Come on, come on. We are waiting for you to talk. Just talk. It's okay. No need to worry.
That's all.
And then, are you happy with your drawing? I mean, with your building?
Yes.
Wow. Which one do you think is very hard for you to do? Which part?
The standing part.
Oh, the standing part. Yeah, you have a problem to make your building to be standing on the flat. Do you have any question for Kakak Aleta? Right. Okay, thank you so much, Kakak Aleta. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Are you working alone or you get help from your mommy?
I got help with my mommy to glue it.
Yay, good job. I like it. You collaborate with your mommy and then you working together. That is a very good team for me. Thanks. Good. Can you show the overall your building, please? I can only see the top part. Can you a little bit lift up your building
Yes, I lift it.
so we can see it? Oh, it's stuck here on the floor. Wow. It's trying to.
So we're gonna fall.
Okay, it's okay. You can just put the camera on your building then instead of lift up your. Yeah, I get like wow. See that? Very cool. So cool, Kakak Aleta. I give you 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Wow, you have doing very good. Great job. Thank you so much, Kakak Aleta. Keep up the good work. You can continue your building. You can stick it again. Right? Thank you, Kakak Aleta. Next will be
Ansel, Mister.
who?
Ansel.
Okay, go. Ansel. Wow. Ayo, Kakak Ansel. Siap-siap. 1, 2, 3. Hai, namaku Ansel. Ini bangunan yang aku buat. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Hai, namaku Ansel. Ini bangunan yang aku buat. Ini
Lagging ya. Kakak Ensa videonya berhenti, dia lagging. Lag. Oke, nanti Kakak Ensa lagi deh sekali lagi. Sekarang siapa yang mau selanjutnya? Ruth, you wanna be the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Ruth, ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Ruth, and look what I have here. And at the front there is a card here, and I'll do something to it later. And then at the back there's a barn.
Wow.
Harusnya kamu jangan sampai bikin garasi.
And then?
Udah.
And at the top of the roof there's some sticks that I connect with.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Wow, that's good. Do you have a name for your building?
Karaoke.
Karaoke? Karaoke building? Are you happy, Ruth, with your building?
Yes.
Wow, I also happy to see your drawing. I like it. Now got there's 3 triangles. Do you have any question for Ruth?
Is that a garage on the back of your
No,
house?
it's the car. This is for the car.
Oh. Okay. Well, that's for the car.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, thank you Kakak Ruth, thank you Dede Ruth. Misal kasih berapa? 2 jempol.
4.
Dipakai berapa? Ya. Okay, thank you so much, Ruth. Keep up the good work. You have created a very nice work. I give you 2 thumbs up. And don't give up. Keep on doing it. Just continue.
I want to.
Oke, sebentar ya Kakak Niko. Tadi kakak siapa yang barusan mau itu?
So,
Ya, ayo buka kameranya tadi. Oke, siap. 1, 2, 3.
Hai teman-teman, nama aku Ansel. Ini menaraku.
Oh, keren.
Ini menara loncengnya paling atas. Terus ini fondasinya biar kuat, makanya aku bikin ada banyak fondasinya. Biar nggak gampang jatuh.
Terus.
Tapi ini belum dilem karena nanti mau bikin yang lain juga sih.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. Keren banget. Kamu buat sendiri apa dibantu sama Mami?
Buat sendiri.
Buat sendiri. Kamu kelas berapa sih, Enzo?
Kelas 4 mau 5.
Oh, keren banget ini gambarnya. Kamu dapat ide dari mana bikin itu?
Aku dapat ide sendiri sih. Aku bikin-bikin.
Kamu coba-coba ya, kamu tekuk, kamu tempel gitu ya, kamu taruh bagian atasnya gitu ya. Ini bagus banget, apa namanya, bangunannya kuat, kelihatannya bagian bawahnya.
Terima kasih.
Keren banget Kakak Enzo, terusin ya. Boleh bikin yang lain lagi. Kalau misalnya sudah yakin boleh ditempelin, nanti difoto terus kirim ke Mr. Al bisa lihat. Terima kasih Kakak Enzo. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol dan 2 jempol lagi dari Kakak Devangka dan 10 points jadi 20 points ya. Thank you so much Kakak Enzo. Next will be Kakak Niko ya. Ready Kakak Niko?
Ya.
Ya, 1, 2, go.
Halo, nama aku Niko. Ini bangunan saya. Aku membuat 2 lantai. Jadi ada 4 kamar. Cara membuatnya, aku membuat alasnya dulu untuk membuat rumahnya. Lalu aku membuat tembok-tembok dan lantai 2-nya. Setelah itu aku menggambar alas untuk atapnya, dan aku membuat tembok-tembok ini agar kuat untuk ditahan gitu agar gak roboh. Lalu aku membuat pintu bisa dibuka atau dibuka ditutup. Setelah itu nanti di belakangnya aku akan membuat garasi dan aku pengen membuat gerbang-gerbang gitu.
Oke, Kakak Niko, idenya dapat dari mana sih?
Sendiri.
Sendiri ya. Dibantuin nggak sama mami, papi?
Dibantuin, tapi sama ibu doang.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Bagus, berarti kamu bekerja sama dengan ibu kamu. Ini bangunan rumah atau gedung ya?
Rumah.
Rumah ya. Terus kok kamu bisa punya ide gitu, ada pintunya bisa dibuka? Itu gimana ceritanya?
Ya biar kayak main sama Lego-Legoan gitu.
Oh, keren banget ya.
Gimana cara
Ya.
bikinnya?
Gimana cara bikinnya katanya?
Pintunya. Ditekuk gitu.
Ditekuk gitu. Coba lihat, tunjukin Kak. Wah, seperti itu ya. Bagus banget. Niko suka nggak dengan bangunannya?
Bang, suka banget.
Suka banget ya. Ini udah pernah nyoba bikin seperti ini sebelumnya?
Belum.
Belum ya, ini pertama kali ya.
Iya.
Ya, Niko kalau suka nanti boleh bikin lagi supaya makin mahir nanti bisa membentuk bangunan 3 dimensi.
Wow.
Niko, sebutkan 5 hal yang Niko pelajarin.
Belajar bikin tembok dari sabar, habis itu kerapian, habis itu membuat rumah dari domino, bikin pintu,
Wow, apalagi?
sama
Apa?
belajar matematika juga biar bisa dihitung-hitung gitu.
Wah, keren banget. Niko bisa collaborate sama dia, juga bisa menggabungkan matematika dengan art. Iya, benar sekali Kakak Niko. Ini juga harus memerlukan pemikiran matematis ya, gimana caranya supaya bangunannya kuat dan berapa wall yang digunakan untuk membuat kamar. Tadi Niko bilang ada 4 kamar seperti itu. Good job Kakak Niko, thank you so much. Thank you. And you can continue your work, okay?
Okay.
You're working, you can make it more. You say that you want to create a garage at the back, so please make the garage at the back. Garage or garage, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Next would be Kakak Fio. Are you ready, Kakak Fio? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, we are waiting. Yes. 1, 2, go.
This is my building. First, I make a square in here. Square and square. And then I make a floor in there. There's so many. And I make the bridge in here. And I make a top. Okay.
The roof.
Yes, roof.
Okay.
And then I make a bridge again, but in here.
At the bottom side?
Yes, bottom side. Okay, then.
Okay, where you get the idea, Theo? You said that this one is a twin tower from Malaysia, right?
Yes, idea is...
The idea came from? You watching TV? YouTube?
No.
Or you just like pop up?
I see the photo
Oh, you see.
when I have children.
Oh, when you are still kids and you see the photos of Twin Tower and then you make it.
My family is going there.
Oh, your family went there and then they took a photos and then you saw it and then now you create the Twin Tower with your own version. Okay, Kakak Fio, can you please mention 5 things that you learned from this lesson?
Make building.
1.
Make building. Make bigger.
Okay, make it bigger.
Yes.
The third one will be? What else? Are you trying to make a bridge?
Yes.
Okay, good job. The fourth one will be you create 2 bridge at the bottom side. And then you learn about patience. Do you learn about patience?
Yes.
Okay, good. The last one, you learn about what?
Don't sticky glue.
Sorry? Again? So the last one you learn about to work with the domino.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah. Is it hard for you to stick the dominoes card?
No.
Why?
Because this easy.
Because this one is easy for you to stick, yeah, together. Okay, keep up the good work, yeah, Kakak Fio. You can continue your building and don't forget to show your mommy, yeah. Don't break it first. I want you to put it on the table first and show it to your mommy. Don't break it first, okay? Thank you, Kakak Fio, and show it to Kakak Iris also. Right, the last but not the least, we have Rachel and Tori. Hi, Kakak Rachel and Tori, where are you? Okay, Rachel, you want to be the first one? Who want to be the first one? Kakak Tori first, yeah. Okay, ready? Open your microphone, please, first. Tori. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my building.
Mm.
Yes, this is my building. First, I built the first stage. First, I built first floor here.
Too loud.
And then I used stick for the flag, and then I used Dominos card for the flag here, and then I use a lot of Dominos card for the building.
Do you get some help from somebody?
No.
You're working alone?
Yes.
Wow, so cool. Is it hard for you to draw, to create that kind of building?
No.
Do you have any problem when you stick everything?
A little.
A little bit. Okay, are you happy with that, Tori?
Yes.
Is this your first time making a building using domino?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Tori. I give you 2 thumbs up. Keep up the good work, yeah. You can continue to make it more merrier. You can create a tower as you want. And then, yeah, thank you so much, Tori. Now I want to give this moment for your sister, Rachel. Where is Rachel? Hi, Dede Rachel. Wow, nice. Come on, you can share your.
This is my building. First, I built the flag, and then the house. I used the domino card. And then I make the stage, and then I make the door. I make the flying fox here.
Flying fox? Wow, cool.
And then I built the gate here, and then already done.
Yay! Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you get some help from somebody?
Yeah.
Your mommy?
Bit.
Your mommy helping you?
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you so much, Rachel. Thank you. And I want to speak with Tori first. Tori and Rachel, please mention 3 things that you learned from this lesson.
Shapes.
Shapes. You learn
I
about
can
shapes.
build a house.
You build the house.
Yes.
Third one will be, you learn about what?
How to build a house?
Yes, that one is the second one. The third one will be, you learn about what? Come on.
Make I don't know.
Don't know. You learn about patience.
Yes.
Did you guys learn about hard work also?
Yes.
Did you learn about never give up?
Yes.
And then did you learn about how to make your dreams come true, like making something?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you Kakak Rachel. Thank you Cece, Tori, bye-bye. That's it everyone. I know that you guys are still working with the card. You can make it more merrier as you want. And then thank you so much for mommy and daddy who's accompany the kids to work with the dominoes card or the poker card. I'm sure that we are now here are learning a lot. We learn about patience, we learn about hard work, we learn about collaboration between parents and child. And then we also learn about how that the kids are learning very confident and presenting their work confidently. And I'm sure that, yeah, we learn everything. We learn a lot of things from this lesson. I'm sorry for the technical problems that I cannot show you guys the element of art, show you some of the video, some of the examples. But it's okay. I think we already get the point today that we learn a lot of things. Okay, bye-bye Kakak Aleta. Bye Kakak Glenn, Nico. Bye-bye. Bye, Ruth. Bye. Bye, Rachel. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Mr.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Press down.
Bye, Kak Mario. Bye, Kak Karen.
Bye.